launches its Big Bubble revival into fall 2025 with the Air Max 95 Velvet Brown, a fresh, autumn-ready twist on Sergio Lozano's iconic silhouette. Building on the momentum of the Air Max 1 and 90 Big Bubble releases, this updated 95 edition merges heritage style with modern comfort. The upper features a mix of mesh, suede, and leather in earthy tones, layered grays, bone, and various shades of brown. Velvet brown anchors the gradient design, complemented by cream suede and subtle pink accents on the eyestays. A gray embroidered swoosh and tonal tongue and lining keep the aesthetic understated. The standout Big Bubble sole unit, done in black, offers enhanced cushioning and visual appeal. Reflective accents on the heel and tongue pay homage to the shoe's performance legacy. Retailing at $190, the Nike Air Max 95 Velvet Brown, Big Bubble, is set to launch in fall 2025 through Nike.com and select retailers.